much should a first date cost? Have you ever gone on a date just for the free food? Would you judge someone for taking you to fast food spot on a first date? Who should pay? Man, woman, or split it? What's your name and age?
I'm Francis Dayan and I'm 20 turning 21 this coming next month.
Advance happy birthday. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question for you. How much should a first date cost?
It depends sa situation because if you're student, so doesn't need to expensive, super expensive. Kung ay
Okay, and how much would it be?
like 200 ka, 200 like
200 pesos.
yes for like street foods like super na
It's good like that. Okay. Who should pay? Man, woman, or split it?
in first date it should be man, but if you have enough money and your man doesn't have enough money, so it should be 50-50.
50-50. Have you ever gone on a date just for the free food?
No, I always aim for the memories, not only the food.
Not only the food, but have you ever gone on a date just for, for food? You said,
No,
do you have a boyfriend or are you single right now?
single
How long have you been single?
months.
Months. Okay. And your college, what course are you taking?
Culinary.
So you must be a good cook.
Yes.
What are your names and ages?
Colleen po, and I'm 18 years old.
Faye po, and I am 19 years old.
Okay. You both look smart. Okay. Okay, anyway, here's the question. How much should a first date cost?
First date, it would depend po on the, it would depend on the couple. In my case po, I think our first date was in Jollibee lang.
How much?
How much? It was a breakfast date, so probably around 300. Both na kami nun.
Okay, 300 pesos. And
Yeah.
it's two already for two people. Okay. How about you, Be?
Same answer lang po sa kanya. I think in our first date, we only spend less than 100 pesos po since only tusok-tusok and simple date, just getting to know each other. And I mean, not really getting to know each other since we've been best friend. So that's, like those simple date just means na, garo, spending time, garo ganun lang po.
Okay. Tusok-tusok. Those are the street foods. Like, for example, kwek-kwek, fishball, like those. Tusok-tusok. Okay. Who should pay? Man, woman, or split it?
Again po, it would depend on the couple, on what they agreed upon. But, in our case, again, parang, I was the one who paid since I insisted na I wanted to pay for the meal. Pero it would depend po on the,
Why did you insisted?
I don't know. I just feel like I wanted to pay for the both of us since I wanted to make an impression also.
Okay, on our first date po, we split the food since we are best friends and we don't really need to impress each other on who's going to pay the food for that.
Have you ever gone on a date just for the free food?
No one po. I go on dates with intention. Kaya I don't go there just for the food.
Same with her answer. I go on a date to spend time.
What are your courses?
I'm an AB psychology student po.
I am a Bachelor of Science in nursing student.
What's your name po and age?
Bam. Bam, yes.
How old are you?
33.
You have a very cute name, Bem. Bem. Okay, Mom, Bem, here's the question. How much should a first date cost?
I think around 3,000.
Wow.
Yes. So, you have to be, how do you call this one? Pwede pakat.
It's okay, don't worry, we can.
Kailangan ko siyang i-explain why it's 3,000. So, if you like someone, if that someone is really special for you, so you have to invest, right? So, at least you have to prepare 3,000 for your first date.
Okay, 3,000 pesos. Who should pay? Man, woman, or split it?
I think you may split it. Because if the woman has also her career, so she would be able to pay.
What if she doesn't have a career? She doesn't have work.
It depends on the interest of the guy. If he's really willing to invest to that woman, if she's really sincere, so he can just invest at least 3,000 for the first date for him to be able to know more about that woman.
Okay. Would you judge someone for taking you to fast food spot on a first date?
No, of course no. I will always appreciate it, even though you're gonna bring me to the fast food or to the fine dining restaurant. It's okay as long as the motive is good.
I love that one. Okay. Have you ever gone on a date just for the free food?
No, never, never. I never do that.
Mama, are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
3 years.
You have work now? Like,
Yes, I'm working.
may we know what's your job, if it's okay?
I'm a manager.
Manager. That's beautiful. What is that, like a mall or what?
In a hotel.
Wow. May we know what's the hotel? Because we know a lot of, a lot of our subscribers actually are asking for like recommendations like that
Okay.
because they want to visit Naga. Which hotel?
Okay, I'm assigned now in the other property in Manila, in Batangas actually. So it's the Henry Hotels and Resorts. It's how do you call this one? Beachfront resorts in La Ia, Batangas.
They have that hotel here in Naga?
Yes, I was working before at the Isabel Hotel.
Oh, Isabel! That's fun! Isabel. So it's just right there. Yes, Isabel. It's a beautiful hotel. No, we never bought. One of our subscriber, he's to there. I mean, yeah.
Really a nice hotel here in Naga City.
Isabel. Walking distance from where we are doing our street interviews. What are your names and ages?
Hannah, 18 years old po.
Glenner, 19 years old.
You're couple, right? Okay, very beautiful couple. Okay, here's the question. How much should a first date cost?
I think po, a first date, there's no price when you date po. Because being together is the ano po, is the actual date po. Yung when you spend your time together, it builds your relationship po.
Okay. So you're okay with nothing, like just, hang out together, like that?
Yes po.
Okay. But can you give us like at least, like maybe any number at least? Like,
Ah, like 500 po. For ano, like if you like eating po. Yung, that's how we bond po kasi. Eating.
I love to eat as well. Okay, how about you?
Like I said po, 500. Because we're like eating somewhere in the in the plaza.
Street foods.
Yes po, street foods.
Okay, so 500 pesos. Who should pay? Man, woman, or split it?
It depends. It depends if most of the time po he is paying po if he has the if he has the money po.
Okay.
Uh,
If it's first date, who should pay? The man, woman, or split?
the man po.
Do you agree? She's like, I don't know to anything. Okay. Have you ever gone on a date just for the free food?
No.
Never. You. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. They look so cute together. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection